Alright, part 2. Today I'm breaking down how I'd use a high-yield savings account, $100, $500, $1,000, plus the exact auto-deposit habit loop I use so the balance keeps growing even when life gets busy. First, quick baseline. A high-yield savings account pays a better APY. It's not magic, but compounding adds up when you feed it consistently. Starting with $100, I treat this like a seed. I set an auto deposit for $10 a week. Trigger, Friday payday. Action, $10 auto move. Reward, watch the balance tick up. After 10 weeks, deposits double the starting amount. Interest is bonus. The win is the system. Starting with $500, now it's a mini buffer. I bump auto deposits to $25 a week. Micro raise. Every month deposits climb by $5 until a cap. Slow ramp prevents budget shock while snowballing. Starting with $1,000, momentum money. Percentage-based deposits, about 5% of each paycheck, plus a fixed $20 weekly. Percentage scales, fixed guarantees progress. Windfalls over $100, 20% auto-swept to savings. Automatic deposits are the engine. Auto deposit habit loop. Q. Calendar, chalk payday. Action, automatic transfer, no thinking. Reward, instant balance screenshot or streak tracker. Identity, I save before I spend. That identity locks it in. Building habits that last. Start tiny, $5 or $10. Attach to a routine, payday. Attach to a routine, rent day. Attach to a routine, coffee day. Make account visible. Name it, emergency 3 months. Celebrate streaks, not amounts. Miss a day, restart fast. Override settings when life hits. Pause, don't delete. One cycle skip. Scale down, don't stop. Cut deposits 50% for a month. Add a bounce back date to relaunch automatically. Final push. Pick $100, $500, or $1,000. Set one auto deposit today. Small, consistent moves beat perfect plans. Hit save, close the app, and let your future self say thanks.